In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PNG images from Nuke using a write node. We're going to take your finished node tree and turn it into clean PNG files on your drive. The write node is your final output stage in Nuke, so once it's set up correctly, rendering becomes straightforward and reliable. Start by adding a write node. The quickest way is to press the tab key, type write, and hit enter. That drops a new write node into your node graph. Think of this as the bridge between your compositing work and the files you'll actually deliver. Next, connect it to the end of your node tree. Drag from the output of your final processing node, whatever represents the completed look, and plug that into the write node. Connecting it at the very end ensures you're rendering exactly what you're seeing in the final comp, with all color corrections, effects, and merges included. With the node selected, set your file path in the Properties panel. Choose a folder you can easily find, then type a file name that ends with .png. Keeping names short, descriptive, and free of special characters helps avoid issues. If you're rendering multiple frames, Nuke will create a numbered sequence for you. Using a clear folder structure and a unique file name helps prevent accidental overwrites. Now choose your format. In the file type dropdown, select PNG. PNG is a lossless format, which means it preserves image quality and can carry an alpha channel if your comp has transparency. It's a great choice for high quality stills or image sequences that need clean edges and flexible compositing downstream. Before rendering, confirm the frame range. Make sure it matches your timeline or the specific range you need to output. If your project timeline is set correctly, mirroring those start and end frames in the write node keeps everything consistent. If you only need a single frame, setting the same number for start and end works well. You're ready to render. Go to the top menu, choose render, then render all. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on Mac OS. Nuke will display progress as it writes each frame to disk. Avoid making changes while it's rendering to keep the output clean and predictable.